Om Swastiastu, Shalom, Assalamualaikum. My name is Raymond Sumani dengan NIM 2305531067. Now I want to presentation metallurgy, fabrication and finishing of metal product. Content: information processes, primary production mills, forging, drawing and extrusion, forming, powder metallurgy, material removal process, joining process, fabrication and finishing of metal product. Metal fabrication of focus on the process of cutting and forming sheet of metal. However, the fabrication process does not end there. Metal finishing surface create a functional or decorative finish to the exterior of metal part to improve their appearance and quality. A vital part of the fabrication process, finishing brings the process to completion with a part that is what your project needs. Deformation process. The deformation process transforms solid material from one shape into another. The initial shape is used simple. Example: a build of sheet blank and is plastically deformed between tools or dies to obtain the desired final geometry and tolerance with required properties. Deformation processes are frequently used in conjunction with other unit operations such as casting, machining, grading, and heat treating to complete the transformation from raw material to finish and assembly ready. Discrete part deformation process along with machine have been the core of modern mass production because they improve primarily metal flow and do not depend on long-term metallurgy rate process. Primary production mills. Primary production is the process through which the new aluminum is made versus secondary production in which existing aluminum is recycled into pure metal. Aluminum originates from bauxite and are typically found in the topsoil of various tropical and subtropical regions. Once mined aluminum within the bauxite ore is chemically extracted into aluminum and aluminum oxide compound through the fire process. In a second step, the aluminum is melted into pure aluminum metal through the Hall-Héroult process. Forging. Forging is one of the more pivotal metalworking process in the metal manufacturing industry. It's especially vital the iron and steel industry and is viewed as tremendous source of productivity. Metal forging is the process in which metal are formed and shaped using compressive force. The force are delivered using hammering, pressing, or rolling. Drawing and extrusion. Drawing is one of the oldest metal forging operations to make long product with excellent surface finish, closely controlled dimension, and constant cross-section. Wire and tubes are drawn in a similar manner. The general practice is to place mandrel, also called a plug, or a solid bar with a blunt inside the tube. As the tube is drawn, metal flow past mandrel, which control the inside diameter of the tube and support during deformation. Extrusion is deformation process used to produce long-strength semi-finished metal products such as bar, solid, and the hollow section, tubes, wire, and strip. The favorable compression state of stress during extrusion allow a high capacity for deformation, and so it possible to extrude metal that can be only slightly deformed by other method. Forming. Metal bar to plate and sheet are formed by various bending, stretching, and drawing operations. Bar and tube are formed mainly by bending operations such as compression bending, stretch bending, draw bending, and roll bending. Sheet forming include various bending, stretching, and drawing operations, plus some special method to develop surface with deep recess, spinning, deep drawing, or shallow recess, dimpling, juggling, explosive forming. Powder metallurgy. Powder metallurgy is a growing branch of metallurgy based on the production of material in the form of metal powder and the manufacturing of part from the material. The primary market for powder is for part manufactured by various powder metallurgy technologies. However, metal powder are also are production for other applications. For example, approximately 10% of iron powder on a tonnage basis are used to production welding electrodes. Material removal process. Material removal process are used to make incomplete casting conform to design specification. In addition, material removal can be used selective to allow generic casting to be altered into unique finished product. By cutting away unwanted material, special design feature can be added to common casting, effectively converting them into distinctly different item. Examples are different hole pattern, plainness remove, wheel thickness reduce, surface flatten, and so forth. However, quite often material removal process are chosen as an alternative to casting and molding process. Joining process. Joining include the use of material, chemical, physical force that keep two parts together. Mechanical methods are based on various type of mechanical pattern, while adhesive bonding use chemical bonding perhaps with some physical or mechanical factor. Physical method of joining include bending, branching, and soldering. The focus by necessity is only a brief overview on the wide-ranging technology of welding, brazing, and soldering. This is my presentation. Thank you.